think you and I would probably have some really good synergies.
Okay, yeah, let me know.
Absolutely, we'll do that.
All right, God bless.
All right, sounds good. Take care, man. God bless.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Well, right now all we're trying to do is we're trying to maximize on Facebook. We're using Facebook more for brand awareness, but not necessarily for lead generation. So Facebook does work for brand awareness, so we can get referrals, repeats, expand our network, find investors. You can find a ton of investors because everybody wants to brag. I would say Facebook and social media in general is like the Vanity Central of America, right? You literally build a shrine to yourself. If you use it in the right way, if you understand the tool, right? What does the Bible say? Is that the truth will set you free. So if you understand what this tool is trying to do to you, you can somewhat combat it and use it to good, right? It's like these scissors, right? These scissors are a great tool. Like if you want to cut paper, like it's great. You can use it to, make like one of those Christmas snowflakes, right? Real pretty snowflakes, or some origami or something, right? Or you can use it to stab somebody in the heart, right? So it's understanding the proper use of the tool, right? So like Facebook might have been built to seduce you, right? But if you understand that, it's the same thing like with my stack of credit cards, right? My stack of credit cards. The credit cards are used to put you into debt, right? But can you really even rent a car without a credit card? Can you get a hotel room without a credit card? Do you want to buy things online with your checking account? Not really, right? Because you don't have the credit card protection. So if you use it in the proper way and you don't let it use you, it's good. So just understanding that Facebook is good. But I am struggling with the process of figuring out how to build leads out of it. So there's a lot of information that you can use to do IP address from mailing lists, input that into Facebook, and then retarget those people. I'm retargeting people that go to my website and then put cookies on the website and follow them around. All these different things. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That Facebook is still numero uno, still number one on all social media platforms. Nobody comes close. If you put all of them together, they don't equal Facebook and the amount of reach it has. So just know that Facebook is still the boss. They're not going anywhere anytime soon, and they still have all the reach and the best way to target people because they have more information than anybody else. So thank you guys so much. I hope you got something out of it. Just my little rant of the day. So God bless you guys. Godspeed. See you next time.